No. Tell people what we're doing, Javen.
Hello guys, today we're gonna do a candy thing.
A candy thing.
So we're gonna open this little box with letters. What state is it from? What state is it from?
Tell people what we're doing.
Okay, so this is.
Let's wait for some people to log on, but you could explain.
So today we're trying snacks from Korea.
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 So it's
Say yay.
Yay!
it comes with this thing, and it kind of gives you
Wait.
information on.
Wait.
It gives you information on Korea,
Snack crate. That's what we're doing, people.
and then
Oh, that's Korea.
it shows us what snacks we're going to be getting. So,
Let me see the stuff that we're getting.
and then more.
Let me see another one.
Okay,
Let's get started.
so it shows
Hola, everybody.
you.
Make sure to sign up for Snack Crate with our code that is in the description
So we have some.
to get your snack crates.
We have some stickers.
Say hi to Grandma, everybody.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
So it has this
Hi,
really
Poopy.
nice, cute packaging with like this little Korean.
Say hi, Jordan.
Hi.
He said hi. Okay, wait. We're still waiting for some people to log in.
For what? They can go back
Okay.
and watch the video.
Okay. So
Wait.
Okay, hold on. So we're gonna try them in
I'll
order.
read them. Whichever one we're
Here,
gonna.
hold that real fast. Let me turn down the.
Don't get it, Monse.
Hold on. See.
Can I read what these are?
We're gonna go through them. We can look at it as we
gonna
do
pull
it.
them all out then.
So, like we said, people, we're gonna be trying snacks from Korea,
So the first thing is choco pie.
but we're not gonna go
I'm
through
gonna
everything.
read them, what they are. No.
No.
Sure.
We're gonna just pull it out and we're gonna open it and try it.
You're not gonna read what they are.
You can read it on here, can't you?
I can't read Korean.
Okay. So is that the first thing we're gonna try?
Just try to sound it out what it says on the packaging.
It
That's
says
the point.
choco pie. These marshmallow pies are adored by all Koreans. They are regularly smuggled into North Korea, where they are good as cash.
Okay, open it and then we're gonna need to cut a piece off.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
This smells good.
I bet you it's good.
I'm scared what it looks like. Oh my god.
So just cut up here. Let me see.
The moon pie.
That's what it looks like, huh?
Wait, Javen.
Put those back, Javen. You wait.
Hi, Chest.
No, which one is this?
Okay. Junior's
Are
piece?
we gonna try it all together?
Yeah. Or I don't know.
Wait, eat it, Junior.
No.
Or go, Javen.
Oh, that's it.
Here, Karime.
Is it good?
Let's see.
It's like marshmallow with chocolate and cakes.
It's good.
It's kind of dry.
I think it's good.
Choco pie.
Marshmallow filling, basically, it says. I don't think it's that. It's not too sweet. That one? Okay.
What is that?
Here. The custard.
I'm gonna kill you. Let me find it. There's nothing in here of it.
Let me see. Let me read it.
No, sit down.
Happy Promise Custard.
Wait, puppy. Wait.
For all people's happiness, we are baking fresh custard cakes every day.
Custard cake.
No, Jordan. Okay. Open it, babe.
Get out.
He already whipped it.
Does somebody want that?
Look at
I want it.
Look at.
Wait, Karina.
Oh, he got it. And then just cut some pieces. Or you want me to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
I think this one's gonna be gross.
piece.
Is it good?
I'm gonna try it. No, it fell. Get
It kind of stinks, huh? Try it, Jamin.
It's
all right. Múltalo.
It tastes like generic Twinkie.
Generic Twinkie.
I don't like it.
It's like greasy.
Yeah.
This tastes like frosty cake.
It's like a cake, but it's like not. They're not sweet. Huh? Like they have less sugar than probably
Wait,
what we have.
This-
Okay.
these are-
Javen's gonna pick the next one.
Okay.
Dozen
Choco Boy. This kind of looks like the little payasos.
Choco Boy. What does that say?
Payaso one.
Are you gonna pick the next?
No, wait. Mira.
Okay.
Más
Choco
candy.
Boy has a
Candy.
chocolate cap on a crunchy biscuit.
A crunchy biscuit with the chocolate cap. Don't forget to sign up for your guys' snack crate, guys, and use our code.
What the heck is
In the
it? Open-
description.
Just open it.
That's it.
It says how to open it.
Yeah, it says no. It says like pull it from the middle.
Let's see, babe. Let me see. Oh, to pull it right here open. I don't know.
I think these are gonna go right here.
Wait.
Back.
One at a time, guys.
Okay.
It looks like the payaso from the clowns, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
We get two.
A bunch of little mushrooms. They're funny. They're cute. Oh.
It's like an animal cracker with chocolate on it. Huh?
Jordan, is it good? He stuffed it all in it. Yeah, it's good.
Mmm. It's like an animal cookies with chocolate.
These are good.
It looks like real
We should
milk.
order these. It's like a pack of them.
These are really good. Choco Boy. What do we give it, Karime?
Out of 10, I give it like an 8.
What do you give it, Javen?
Ups and downs.
Thumb up or thumb down? Thumbs up, babe.
8.
Jordan, you like it? Yeah?
I'll give it 8.
Thumbs up for me. I'm gonna eat another one.
What's the last one?
Okay.
Okay, that was Choco Boy. Get one, Jordan. What are we gonna try next?
Don't let him get it.
Okay, the sister?
Okay. What is that, Karime?
Those are
No.
yakwa.
So you're gonna have to
It's these little things.
There's 2 of them. So you just-
It's a traditional Korean. It's a traditional Korean cookie.
There's my-
Traditional Korean cookies resembling flowers served on New Year's Day and Korean Thanksgiving.
New Year's Day. This is what they eat for New Year's and Thanksgiving.
I saw it.
They look kind of funky.
Wait, Javen, wait.
They're hard.
It's turn too.
They smell weird.
No, they actually smell kind of good. Ooh, they don't break.
Let me go get a bigger knife. Let me go get a sharper knife.
They look like
I'm
old mazapan, huh?
I don't know.
No, it kind of looks like jamoncillo.
Kind of dry and hard, huh?
Ooh, mine looks like.
It tastes like
weird at first, but it's good.
it tastes like jamoncillo, kind of.
It's good. What is it made out of?
It doesn't say anything.
I give it like out of 10. I give it a 7.
A 7
Out of 8, I give it
out of 8.
a 100.
A 100.
Yeah.
That's good. I like this.
I give it a 6.
Múltalo.
My
You
turn.
like it?
No, mom's turn.
It's my turn.
Little big one.
Oh.
Don't
That's
put
right.
Try this.
Are these all the same?
No, just get the green one.
This is like, I don't know, coffee?
Vienna coffee. What the heck? Okay, let's see what it says.
See what it says. Look at me. Look at me. I picked the first one, right? And I picked the second. No, I picked the second. No, I picked.
Flour cookie wasn't that bad, huh?
I like it.
It doesn't
save.
Here, let me see the thing.
Oh wait, no, I think they're these. Okay, it's a shortbread cookies with a coffee and cream flavored center.
I never drink. I don't want to try this.
Try it.
I'm scared.
Open the other one, Karime. Open it up.
I never tried hot. Good.
Good?
Not bad. It's good. You could taste coffee like all thick at the
I
end.
got this one. I got the last.
Those are good. Did you taste the coffee? Has a good coffee taste after. Did you taste it?
This last piece.
These are bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb.
I think
They're
Your
the
mom's
same.
turn.
Well, they like the same thing.
Well, then open them. Where's the rest of this?
I gave one to my dad.
I want to pick that.
Is that one say coffee on it too?
No, it says white port.
Port.
Oh,
Uh-oh, what was that? Oreo things? Oreo sticks.
Was
they
this
good?
a different one?
Yeah.
Mom.
The green one was better. I like the green one. Remember, people, order your snack tray with our code.
Yeah. And these snacks are from.
Okay, mom's turn.
Okay, my turn. Are these ramen?
Chili dog.
Marshan! Wait, let me see.
A spicy rice cake flavor.
I'm not trying this
The
part.
ramen?
Oh,
or
it
is
says to smash them.
It says don't boil it. This ramen is meant to be eaten as a cracker. Check out
Jordan
the back.
said, give me the rest of that cookie. Is it good?
Smash it.
Should we try it? I don't wait. I want to see what else is
Save
in
that for
here.
last, babe, because then it's the most spicy.
Save this one for last? Okay.
Yeah.
That one's going to be last.
And finale.
I don't want that
I'm going to try this.
one. Yeah. That's.
So I don't read Korean.
No.
Is this gum? This is gum, I think.
I think so. Let's save this one.
Here.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
I think this is the Gosami. Gosami. Wholesome wheat crackers with just a hint of
This one.
sweetness.
Sweetness.
Put them back.
Wait, Javen. Javen, quit
Wait.
touching everything, guys. Stop.
Sit down, Javen.
Siéntate. Mira. Dame.
How many is in there? Bless you.
Oh yeah, they're the wheat crackers. They're Gosami a lot.
Okay, give one to everybody. Wheat crackers. Let's see what they are.
I'm gonna save mine for later.
You want to save yours for later?
Yeah.
Why? We're tasting them. It looks like it's sweet. Is that sugar on it?
Looks like
I
sweet.
like it.
They're pretty good. They're good.
They're good.
I don't like that one.
Why'd you throw it away, Javen?
I don't like it.
I do. Yeah, shit.
Did you take it out of the trash?
Yeah. Why not?
I'm gonna try another one.
No.
No, you threw it in the trash.
These are good.
They're good.
I need a cup of coffee now.
I know we should have made coffee with all these like sweet snacks.
No,
But
we
you
should
did
make
it.
coffee.
Go, Junior.
Make
That's gum, I think.
Should we save it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
gone.
it's
Save
good.
it for later.
It's a
No, let's
sour
save it.
fruit chew, similar to Haichu from Japan.
Okay.
They're not gum.
Wait, Javen, Junior.
Okay. So this is called Secom.com. That's what it's called.
Tell our watchers what we're doing, Javen.
So today, we're gonna do.
Where are the snacks from?
Korean.
Korea, let me see. Oh, wow. What do you think about these snacks so far?
So they taste good.
They taste-
and I picked
What's your favorite one so far? That one?
one and this one
That one?
and this one.
Here, this kind of open.
We're trying snacks from Korea, guys. Go to Snack Crate and order yours. There's a promo in our description, so you could sign up. It's pretty cool. Each month we're gonna get
Sorry, I can't open it.
a snack crate from a different country. We are trying these haichu, kind of like a haichu thing. Let's see how this is.
It's like a. I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him something.
It's good.
I'm gonna tell him something.
It is good.
I'm gonna tell him.
Hi, cousin. Yes, they're big. Too big.
It tastes like
Kind of like a Starburst.
Starburst.
Face it on me. It tastes like a Starburst. Like a yellow Starburst.
It's kind of sour.
Uh-huh. I love you face it to me.
who wants the last two?
Me.
Did Draven get one, Jordan?
He shared with me.
Give him his own. Here, Jordan.
You have a mess. Okay. Junior's turn. Oh wait, Junior.
Everybody say hi to cousin Christina
Hi, cousin Christina.
and Latoya.
Latoya. Hi,
Let's try
cousin
this
Latoya.
strawberry one. So this is
And Cecilia, everybody say hi to Cecilia.
Hi, Cecilia. Hi, Cecilia.
we should
That was sour.
upgrade to the drink.
We'll see.
So I think this is the French pies. Fresh jam on top of a flaky buttery pastry. We've included 2 apples, 2 strawberries. Oh yeah, it's these ones.
We're almost done. We're doing a snack crate, guys. Order yours. Snackcrate.com. Snackcrate.com.
Okay.
And you could use our promo to order yours. It's going to be a monthly thing that gets sent out. It's pretty cool. Ours got here fast, like in a week, I think, huh? Didn't it take like a week?
No, Jordan.
We're trying this apple crisp.
This is strawberry one.
Oh, this one's strawberry.
This one is apple.
Siéntate.
Oh no.
Let's see how this is.
Hey!
Karima has another one.
Good.
That's good.
Lo amarra toda la fresa.
I got that middle piece.
No se me está molestando.
I got dibs.
I got dibs too. I went down.
We can dance on this one, Karina.
Everything's been pretty good. These weren't too sweet. It was kind of dry and bland. These were good. They were like a little cookie wafer thingy.
These were sweet.
These were our favorite, I think.
Yeah, Choco Boy.
A Choco Boy. They were pretty good.
This is really tiny.
And these were bomb diggity too. It was like a wafer but with coffee. They were good.
These crackers were so good.
Those crackers were good too, yeah.
This was the last thing we did.
So we have left is this. It's something Oreo.
It's
And then we have left some ramen. Some ramen thing, but supposedly you don't have to cook it, so
this is it's called
We'll
white
see.
Pepero, delicious stick biscuits coated in cookies and cream.
we are once again eating a snack crate. Order yours. Use our promo in the description, guys. Come on. And this snack crate is from Korea.
My turn.
We only have 2 more to eat.
Want to start smashing up? It says
Okay,
to
get one.
smash that.
No one.
Javen.
Oh my gosh, just the
No, and you get this one.
Here.
That's okay.
Mira lo todo.
Oh, this looks like a pretzel thing.
Then,
Wait, it's good?
mira, Jordan.
Mine broke.
Mira.
Yeah, it's been fun, cousin. This is our first time trying it.
Mine broke.
Eat it.
That's why I got two.
Is it a pretzel?
No, it says
It
Like
seems
a
like a
cookie.
pretzel.
stick biscuit. Or biscuit.
Cookie with white chocolate and cookie pieces.
Is it good, Jordan? Yeah? You like the snack?
I just beat the skin off.
The skin. He said the skin. Those are good.
I'd buy these.
You would? They're pretty good.
No.
Two more.
I think we should order these again. The coffee ones. These Choco Boys and those.
Those were your favorite?
What?
Those three?
Yeah, those are my top ones.
Look,
Okay,
This one.
so now for the ramen, it's called Pushu Pushu. It says don't boil it. This ramen is meant to be eaten as a cracker. Check out the back. Check out the directions on the back. So
So it said to crush it.
and then to put the spices on it.
I don't want one of this.
Did you crunch it, good?
It's so man.
It is ramen, huh?
Okay.
So we're basically gonna eat ramen that you don't cook.
I think everybody has done that before.
I haven't. Ew.
Yeah, I've done that.
I've eaten
Have you?
Maruchan myself.
Look at Jordan's like, oh, give me some of that. Once again, people, we're eating from Snack Crate. Go to snackcrate.com and use our promo in the description to get yours. Our Snack Crate this month came from Korea, and we're just about finishing up. We had all those snacks. Pretty good. It was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll go live again when we get our next one. It should be sometime
Next week.
here in a few weeks. The May one. This one was actually from April, but we just haven't done it yet. So
Oh, chili. I'm running away from this part.
That looks pretty good. It looks like
let's see. Let's take a look inside. So we're gonna eat some raw ramen.
It's like sweet and spicy.
Can I look how it looks like with the chili?
Good. Oh my God.
And it said we had to smash it, put the sauce, and shake it and enjoy. Get some. Get some, Javen.
I don't like chili.
It does. It's not. Is it super hot?
it's
Yeah, a little
like
bit.
sweet.
Let me see.
It is. Good.
Let me taste it and tell you if it's hot. Ugh.
Cookies, but I don't
like it.
I don't like it either.
Ugh.
I do.
It's like hot.
Dude, we can't even walk.
Agua, pide agua, el niño.
I think it's good.
Te las vas a tragar. All right. Everybody say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Korea.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, everybody. See you all later. Peace out.
Bye.